you need guidelines, keep the green loop. Wow, exquisitely perfect spelling. If you need no. If you no need. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's still a little bit cold and shitty here in Tennessee. Hence why we got the garage door back halfway down on top of the car. So, today's project is going to be finishing up the backup camera, which is going right here instead of the rear wiper. So all we did was remove the entire rear wiper module, I guess the motor, and there wasn't an arm to begin with. It's over here. Sorry about my organization. So the only thing we still need to remove is the sprayer. We went to AutoZone as usual, grabbed a packet of some grommets that we can hopefully use to fit into here. To kind of update you on what we did before, I didn't take a lot of video of it, but it was a pain in the ass. It took me about 2 hours. So we did run the wiring for the backup camera in there. I don't know if we can really see very good. I don't know. There's an airbag back there too, but we ran it up through here into the grommet, through the boot with minimal to no damage so it doesn't get wet, and up through this channel here. You can see it. I might zip tie that to here a little bit so it doesn't, you know, rattle or anything like that. But we ran it all the way up in here, zip tied it on, and here's the camera connection. Now the camera comes with plenty of wire to be able to hook to here, so we're just gonna go up through there, come here, and then we gotta figure out some way to block off this tube. So that way if we accidentally hit the sprayer, it doesn't just shoot fluid out everywhere and into the back here. We don't want that. So, oh, and then we also got this other trim piece right here, this white / tan grayish piece, and that one's gonna get painted before we put it back in to kind of match the bottom piece right here. We already wiped off, cleaned it all up here so we don't have no dirt. So yeah, we're gonna get started. Got a few more things to clean up right here. We're gonna mount the backup camera through the wiper hole. I think for any Mark IV, if you want to put a backup camera into your hatch somewhere, instead of drilling, I guess we could make a kit somehow, which I'm sure there is a kit. I haven't actually looked. That's something we're gonna look for. I thought it was a good idea. I don't know if anybody's ever done it. I think it would be pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and just knock it out. We already got the preliminary steps, get everything taken apart, and the wiring ran, man, up through the hatch, so it's nice and clean. It did take a while though. So we'll get started, get the camera in there. Alrighty, so this kit comes with obviously the power and ground for the camera itself. This side is just a power wire for when the reverse lights come on, and a ground which you can hook up to any ground. Then here's the box. It does come with some little wire splice deals, 3 little shim pieces, the nut to tighten down the camera, a gasket, 1 trim tool. What I would suggest for this kit is to get some more heavier duty tools. You can get these for about $20 on Amazon. It's real bendy for heavy duty stuff, see? And mine doesn't really bend. And then obviously it comes with the camera and these 3 little wires that are attached to it, and here's the plug for the other side. It does come with some pretty easy to understand instructions. It tells you there's only, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connections total. So it should be a pretty straightforward installation. We got all our stuff kind of laid out here. We're gonna finagle this camera into this freaking thing. So let's go. Alright, so far, we have managed to make ourselves a little plate to squish on the rubber pretty evenly. So we took one of these, right? We just squished it in, shoved it through the hole. It fits, this is the exact size right here. And all these are master cylinder gaskets. Kidding me? That's all it takes. So for like 50 bucks total, I've literally installed a camera. Bam, there it is. We're gonna leak test it and everything, and then we're gonna have to tighten it up some more. Obviously because the rubber will squish. But overall it looks like it's gonna work pretty good. Obviously we're gonna make sure this works. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in and run this wire through the middle of the car here to the radio. Hook this up to the backup lamp real quick and a ground, and we're gonna make sure that this camera operates. If you need guidelines, keep the green loop. Wow, exquisitely perfect spelling. If you need the guide, please cut the green loop. If you need a front view camera, cut the white loop. If you need a side view camera, look forward. Side view camera, look backward. Please keep the white. Please cut the white. Jesus, man, what has happened? There's a lot of instructions there. Parallel to the ground. Oh, I guess it's upside down. Just cut the purple wire. Okay, yeah, I got you. So if maybe that's what I'm doing. I don't know. We're gonna probably have to put some shims. We're gonna have to do some testing, but for now, what we want to do is if it even comes on. All right. So this is gonna be test number 1. We have an alligator clip and a back probe pin, hooking that in right there to the reverse lamp. We got our ground hooked up in there with an alligator clip. Now for the front, there's a bunch of different connections on the back of this radio. So who knows if this is gonna work. So we got rear view camera, we got dash cam, and we got video out, which is probably for like a DVD player or to another TV or something, which is cool because this does play DVDs, I think. I don't even know how to get a disc in it. Then we got cam plus, cam minus, illumination, which I should probably hook up eventually. Steering wheel, remote, some sort of other power shit, and reverse. So I don't know. I hooked the power for the triggering to the camera plus, and then this to the rear view camera. Well, guys, we figured it out. So right now it's got to be in reverse. And I gotta hit the camera button. So that's pretty successful for now. I don't even mind hitting the camera button every time. Let's go ahead and close it down. Let's see what that looks like with the hatch closed. And it's upside down. Which means we gotta cut a loop. Vertical to the ground. Please keep purple wire. Need rear view camera setting, mounting, installation parallel to the ground. Just cut the purple wire. Right now the purple wire is still good. I think we better just cut the fucking wire, huh? Alright, so everything's all back together. And Will's here. It's cold. It is fucking cold, man. Like, it got super cold. He's got your sweatshirt on now. So we got the LEDs on, we got the camera installed. It look fucking dope, bro.
Yeah, it does actually look really good.
That's totally something like making fun of somebody, but I mean, I don't know. So we decided to go make a different little plate for it. Made a little square plate because the round one kept spinning. And then we just covered it in weather strip adhesive. So kind of seal it up, and I filled in the hole too so it can't bring in any water. The outside isn't quite what I want, because I need some sort of like plastic plug. Yes, look, it fucking fell in. See how it's trying to fall in there? This side fell in. So that's the problem. We need a plastic plug that goes on the outside and covers this hole, so we don't have to center the actual camera stud on the back, which is at the top of the camera. And we center the whole camera stud in the middle and have it pretty much same location, but we gotta do a little different. But for now, it does work. We do got a backup camera. Yeah, we do. A do-it-yourself backup camera only takes 12-15 hours.
You know, show me it works.
Oh, I guess, yeah. I forgot to tuck the wire in. We did turn the ignition and power on, power up the radio, which we did finally mount completely since we don't have to take it out again. Oh, what the fuck? See, it doesn't work unless you're in reverse. Oh, I was like, oh my god, it broke. Yeah, so I would say we don't go past the yellow.
Here, take this, I'll walk back there.
I guess we don't go past the yellow. Bro, is the screen not working?
What?
I don't know if it's recording or not.
I have no idea. It was doing that earlier.
Alright, so there he is. I don't think we should go past the yellow.
Yeah, I'm like, my knees are probably a foot from the bumper.
Your knees?
My knees. About a foot from the bumper.
That's right by the yellow.
And then now they're about 4 or 5 inches from the bumper.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, bro, hey, we don't have to worry about the fucking bumper. We have to worry about the exhaust.
Oh. Yeah, well, still, I mean, I was about.
I mean, it's pretty even, so. Yeah, okay, so if you're like really close, like that, go in there and look.
You'll hear it ting.
Yeah, I don't want to hear ting because I like that DC Sports tip. It's probably like a one of a kind, dude. Looks like everything's installed good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, hit the buttons, hit the notifications so you can get to watch all the videos. Dang, bro, you about nailed that mailbox. What the fuck's going on here?
This fucking thing.
That's an all-wheel drive Honda V6 out there, baby.
Oh, hell yeah.
Anyways, see y'all later.
Nice game.